Good morning, dog. Today is Thanksgiving Day. I decided to vlog a day in my life today. It's gonna be pretty hectic, but it'll be fun. I'm in charge of the mac and cheese. I'm also in charge of the flan, but I made the flan last night. I just have to flip it this morning. Let's go get the day started. Let's see what my sister is up to. It's my sister's Christmas tree. Let me show you. It looks really nice. Super cute. I'm so sorry it looks so crazy. I have been waking up every day with a pain in my hand. So yesterday I woke up with a pain in my thumb. I felt like my thumb was broken. It literally hurt so bad. And then this morning I woke up with a pain in my wrist. So I don't know if I'm sleeping on my hand weird or I don't know what's going on, but let's go. It's beautiful outside. It's cold though, but it is gorgeous. Like, look at the sun. The sun is just shining, you know. Out here, I'm gonna go to the supermarket to get some stuff, some bacon, egg, and cheese. When I walk by, she always change that time.
Oh, you know, they put that thing there so they won't die. It's like a little house.
Oh, that's sweet. Yeah. Oh, this dude is wearing shorts and flip-flops and a puffer jacket. Austin, get away from there. You look like a freaking egg clown.
The ice cream truck. Tell me it's not suspicious. A white van ice cream truck.
That is super sus. BLT.
Alright guys, my dad's trying to get the best thing to put in our bodies.
That one's really bad. That one's a zero.
Which one of those really
Zero.
It's a zero also.
Oh my god. But why is it zero? It's an additive.
Zero. That has lower sodium. Let's see. Zero.
Every single one is a zero.
There's nothing that's good for us. That's kind of different. A different meat.
Yeah, every single one is a zero. Bad for you.
What about that one?
Let's get that one. Yeah. Gotta go to ShopRite or something.
You just want to risk our lives?
No, I don't want to risk our lives. Now when I scanned it, it says zero. I don't want to eat it at all. That's disgusting. I don't want to get kicked out for vlogging. Get inside, bro. Let's get to cooking, baby. We are going to make mac and cheese. Let's go. I'm doing this recipe for Thanksgiving. I did it last year also and it was really good. So I'm sorry y'all, I have this freaking pimple here that does not want to leave my face, so it's part of me now. It's a part of me now.
If you're in charge of mac and cheese this year, you have to try out this recipe for the creamiest and the crispiest oven-baked mac and cheese.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start mincing the garlic like she said. So yeah, let's get cooking.
Yo, vlog, you gotta see this.
Oh my god! Okay, stop it for phone. Where's the macaroni? Wait, not all of it, like.
Oh! You remember when y'all was making fun of me because I asked for the chicken with onions?
That's where burger always. It is time for punch. We're gonna make some punch now.
Bow! I made it.
In a bowl.
I be popping that.
That's sparkling apple cider. In case anybody wants to throw me in
Yeah,
jail.
be my tags ain't looking. Damn! Nah, that's good because a lot of that is good. It takes hold.
The turkey is ready. Okay, my sister's gonna give me a sample. Mmm, that's good. Yeah. Okay, so I really haven't had like time to like vlog per se, so I just did my makeup. Let me get my camera, my thingy, so you can see. Okay, so I just did my makeup. Oh my gosh. It's a good thing I turned that light on. All I have to do is put on some mascara and thingy, but I'm gonna leave that for last. And I gotta put some lip gloss. So this is my outfit. I'm going to wear this like off the shoulder top with like this skirt and these stockings. So let's get this outfit going. So I'm gonna do my mascara now. It's very loud outside right now, so this is her, this is she. She looks cute, you know? Alright, so I'm gonna put on my heels because I have these boots I wanna put on. But if I'm gonna be walking around, I don't wanna wear them just yet. So I have my Ugg slippers on. This is my favorite mascara. This Fan Fest, bro, it's actually perfect. Let's go put on my boots now. Fit check in the kitchen. But so this is the boots. We're slaying. Here we go. We have to wait for Austin's uncle to come down, and he said he just got in the shower. And we're sitting in front of this food. It smells so good, and August only likes to eat because he's a kid. And we're hungry. How's your food, Augie?
What?
How's your food, Augie?
What?
Hi vlog, we had fun, we played Family Feud, we ate a lot, but now it's time to go to bed. So thanks so much for watching a day in my life. I hope you enjoyed the video, and August and I are gonna go to sleep because we are
Full.
And
Sleepy.
yes, and tired. Good night. Thanks
Good night.
for watching.
Thanks for watching, vlog. I see you in the next video.
Bye.
Yeah, subscribe and comment and hit that like button.
Hit that like button. You heard him. Bye.
Bye, vlog. I see you next video.